Omo, my country people, how una dey? Omo guys, this Verydarkman and EFCC matter no small as we all think. If una hear wetin Kokopee talk, omo, I just dey fear. This matter is an alleged story, but make we all start to dey pray for Verydarkman, cause this story, omo, I dey fear. Make I play the video, make you listen to wetin Kokopee, Verydarkman friend talk.
Monday, from today till Monday, they'll kill him on Monday. Or they'll tell us one story, say something happened to VDM. He's no longer alive. Because there's no way on earth, VDM will carry placard and face camera with a crime. They are currently manufacturing crime. They are currently looking for the offense that is what's going to kidnap him inside the bank. You go to kidnap a Nigerian citizen who is fighting for people inside the bank like a thief. Nobody brought any warrant to us. Their plan is to poison him and make him die silently. I will tell you why. Listen.
I don't understand very well Yoruba very well, but I hear the part that they say it to be safe killing the dude with poison. You should send someone that is close to him to take food to him at the prison. They mention Verydarkman.
Yeah, thank you. No problem, thank
this
you.
was a conversation somebody in Abuja heard yesterday. They were speaking Yoruba, talking about the plan yesterday. Nigerians, you wanna open an eye. They have caught him. This is a way to silence him. And the VDM is no longer talking to anybody. It's angry. Doesn't want to answer lawyer, doesn't want to anybody. So make una tell us now. They will beat my chest. That he rather die than hold placard with false allegation. They go ready to or poison him before Monday. That's the only way. I know force for the country. As it stands now, what he bring this kind of nonsense? You wake up, somebody goes to fight for a mother, you pass, you through GTD bank, hold on. All of you who are due today in the FCC office, today, Saturday and Sunday, where I dey wash una. I dey wash all of una. I know everybody who's on duty. Don't worry now. You will think this is a movement. This is not one point. VDM now be the face of this movement. The issues of now they would vex.
Omo, I just dey pray make Verydarkman come out in good faith. Chai. If you have watched this very moment, thank you so much for engaging. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you all, the love and support. Dey easy. Thank you all so much. If this is your first time coming across this channel, if you're a first time subscriber, thank you so much. And you're welcome to Cindy Gist TV. Please do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. And don't forget to turn on that post notification. Okay, see you guys on my next video.